Hey guys, how's it going? How to solve app crashes after updating to iOS 18.1.1. So make sure first that you update your apps. Go to the App Store or Google Play, right? And then what you gotta do next, click the search right here, or just click your profile icon at the top, right? And refresh to double check if there is any new update. And as you can see right here, make sure that you up to date. Many app crashes are caused by compatibility issues after an iOS update. Visit the App Store and then check for updates for any problematic apps. And next, if the problem persists, restart your iPhone. You can swipe down to control center, shut down your iPhone, and by clicking the right thumb, the lock screen, the one that you lock the screen with your finger, with the right finger, long hold so you can reopen it again. A simple restart can resolve temporary software glitches. Turn off your phone, wait for a few seconds, and power it back on, right? Next, free up some storage. Go to the settings, right? And go to the general, go to the iPhone storage, right? Low storage can cause app instability, right? Check your available space by going to the settings, general, and then iPhone storage, and delete unnecessary files or apps, okay? And let's say CapCut, offload the app and reinstall it once again. Reinstall the app onto the next step. If an app continues to crash, go to the specific app, remove it, and double click to remove it and reinstall it once again from your App Store or Google Play. And basically this can clear corrupted data associated with the app. Check for iOS updates. Go to the settings, go back to stay in the general and software update. Apple frequently releases updates to fix bugs, all right? And make sure that you go to the software update to ensure you're running the latest version. Reset the settings. On to the next step. If crashes persist, just stay in the general, scroll a little bit down, click transfer or reset iPhone, click reset and reset all settings, and click reset right here and click the first option. And note that this will reset your device's settings to a default but won't delete your data, all right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.